Look at almost any depiction of the Hindu deity Krishna from the last 2,000 years, and you'll notice a consistent set of visual rules. If we strip away the traditional art, we find an underlying geometry of light and color. Across centuries, artists have adhered to 3 specific requirements: the dark blue skin, the bright yellow robe, and the iridescent peacock feather. These are often viewed as purely aesthetic choices, poetic symbols meant to separate a divine figure from the mundane world. However, these specific artistic constraints correspond to the mechanics of light, neurobiology, and atmospheric physics. To understand the longevity of this imagery, we can look past the poetry and examine how these features align with the physical properties of the universe. In the Vedic tradition, Krishna's dark blue complexion represents the boundless and the infinite. This illustrates Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight hits atmospheric particles, blue light, traveling in shorter, tighter waves, scatters in every direction. Longer red waves pass straight through. This is why the sky and deep ocean appear blue. The use of blue for an all-encompassing figure matches the physical color of the boundless atmosphere. The blue skin reflects the way human vision perceives deep, empty space. Contrast is provided by the pitambara, a bright yellow robe worn over that dark blue skin. This chart shows the visible light spectrum. Yellow sits at the center of daylight wavelengths, the point of maximum sensitivity for the human retina. Human peripheral vision processes yellow light 2.5 times faster than red. The brain detects this specific wavelength before almost any other color. This is why modern high-visibility safety gear uses this exact shade. It triggers immediate cognitive alertness. The visual priority of the yellow robe ensures that the figure remains the focal point of the viewer's attention, cutting through any surrounding visual noise. The most intricate identifier of the avatar is the peacock feather. While it appears vibrant, the feather contains no blue, green, or yellow pigments. Its color is a result of physical architecture. This extreme close-up shows the highly structured ridges that manipulate light. This is structural coloration. The feather is made of 2D nanostructures of keratin. As white light enters these structures, they amplify specific wavelengths while canceling others out. The feather is a crown made of refracted light. It serves as a visual demonstration of a form defined by the observer's perception, rather than physical matter. This relationship with color moves from the icon to the community during the Holi festival. Traditionally, the powders used in this festival are derived from plants like turmeric, neem, and beetroot. These plants contain natural antioxidants and antibacterial properties. The timing of the festival coincides with the spring seasonal shift, when communities are more vulnerable to illness. The widespread use of these botanical pigments provided a layer of communal hygiene during a critical time of year. Atmospheric scattering, retinal sensitivity, nanophotonics, and seasonal health. Long-term observation requires a vehicle that can persist through generations. Iconography serves as that vehicle, carrying observations about the natural world forward. The strict visual rules of the avatar act as a point of contact between ancient contemplation and modern measurement. The imagery connects the physics of light to the biology of the human body. We find that the questions asked by ancient traditions and those asked by modern science often arrive at the same destination. The answers have been rhyming for centuries.